Hi everybody, Gregory here, and guess what? Now I get to hang out with Miss Kay from Dupe That.
Hi everyone.
Hey ladies, gentlemen, guess what? We're gonna share some of our favorite dupes with you right now. Ready?
I'm ready.
Another thing we were talking about was color. And you have a favorite product that delivers keratin.
Can you get too much keratin?
Yes. So here's what I want to talk about. It's the two things that hair needs, protein and moisture. Okay, ready for my favorite little dupe?
Ready.
Boom. And it's not really a dupe because it's from the Ion collection, but it's the Bond Therapy. I know you love a primer or a heat protector. Yeah. This will act as that. This puts the bonds back in your hair, but balances the moisture.